Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the numericals of current electricity. Let's start with the first question. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter and resistivity of 1.68 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Find the length of this wire to make its resistance of 2 ohm. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? So let's move on to the question given data. So a copper wire has diameter of 0.5 mm. So diameter is equals to 0.5 mm. 5 millimeter means 10 power minus 3. So if you want radius d by 2, that is 0.5 to 10 power minus 3 by 2. That is 5 into 10 power minus 4 by 2. 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter. So we are converting the millimeter into meter. Next, resistivity. Resistivity means rho. Rho is equals to 1.68 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. And they are given resistance is equals to 2 ohm. And they are telling to find the length of this wire. Length of the wire na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So radius ohm ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ನಾಲ್ಕನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು? ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೋ ಎಲ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 2 ಓಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ resistivity 1.68 into 10 power minus 8 into length we should find it, and area pi r square. So we have to find length. So length ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ pi r square ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ 2 into pi r square. 1.68 into 10 power minus 8 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ divided by 1.68 into 10 power minus 8. So 2 into pi means 3.14 into r square. R is 2.5 into 10 power minus 4. 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 square means whole square divided by 1.68 into 10 power minus 8. So 2 into 3.14 into 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 whole square. So 2 into 3.14, 2.5 square is 6.25. 10 power minus 4 into 2 is 10 power minus 8 divided by 1.68 into 10 power minus 8. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸಿ 39.